Getting started with the 3-in-1 cholesterol meter is simple. In this video, we'll walk you through the main steps, from preparing the meter and collecting your blood sample to checking your cholesterol-related values. Part 1. What you need. Before checking, prepare the safety lancet, capillary transfer tube, matching code chip, cholesterol test strip, 3 AAA batteries, and the 3-in-1 cholesterol meter. Part 2. First-time setup. Open the battery compartment and insert 3 AAA batteries, making sure the polarity is correct. Close the cover securely before use. Each time you start a new box of cholesterol test strips, insert the new code chip included with that box. Confirm that the code number shown on the meter matches the code number for the test strips. An incorrect code match may affect the accuracy of the reading. You can adjust the date, time, sound, and other meter settings if needed. For fingertip testing, keep the sample type set to the default capillary blood setting. Part 3. Start the check. Insert one cholesterol test strip fully into the meter in the direction shown by the arrow. When the blood drop symbol appears or flashes, the meter is ready for the sample. Part 4. Collect the blood sample. Wash your hands with warm water and dry them completely. Keeping your hands warm can help improve blood flow. Gently massage toward the fingertip, then use the safety lancet to prick the side of your fingertip. Wipe away the first drop of blood and allow a fresh second drop to form. Touch the tip of the capillary transfer tube to the blood drop and let it fill naturally. Do not squeeze the tube while collecting the sample. Make sure the blood reaches the black fill line. Approximately 35 microliters of blood are required for this cholesterol check. Part 5. Apply the sample and read values. Apply the blood sample to the center of the test strip's sample area. Make sure the sample area is fully covered and avoid touching the strip directly with the capillary tube. If the sample amount is insufficient, do not add more blood to the same strip. Remove the used strip and repeat the check with a new strip. The meter will begin measuring automatically. Wait for about 2 minutes. Your cholesterol-related values, including total cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, will appear on the display. Part 6. Factors that may affect accuracy. For more reliable readings, avoid several common factors that may affect accuracy. Always use the correct blood sample volume and follow the recommended sample collection steps. Make sure to wipe away the first drop of blood and check using the second drop. Do not squeeze the capillary transfer tube while collecting blood, and apply the sample correctly to the test strip. Always use the matching code chip and test strips from the same box. Use the meter within the recommended operating range of 10 to 35 degrees Celsius or 50 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid excessive humidity, direct sunlight, or extreme environments. Finally, keep the test strip holder and sensor area clean. Dirt or residue may affect the testing process. Certain factors, including recent meals, alcohol intake, supplements, hydration, and medications, may influence cholesterol readings. For example, eating a high-fat meal shortly before checking may temporarily increase triglyceride readings. If you have any questions about using the meter, please contact us at info@medasia.store. For more guides on at-home health checks and wellness awareness, subscribe to Stay Healthy with MedAsia 50+ and explore more educational videos with us.